Hey there, what's up? You have lots of works to do, right? But you're here on your phone, lying on the bed, leaving all those behind, maybe because you need a break, or maybe you're just too bored and lazy to get it done. Firstly, you need to find out if you're really lazy or is it something else. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, you're already missing out so many informative videos. Well, not to worry, you can check them out in our previous uploads and also let us know that you have watched them all by liking those videos. So now, let's get started. Laziness is the quality of being unwilling to work or use energy which anyone can feel anytime because of different reasons, and you're not alone in that. But did you see some people are more lazier than others? Why is it so? You will be surprised to know that laziness can be a natural phenomenon. Let's understand this by the following experiment. A study was conducted on two groups of mice by observing their behaviors. Group 1 consisted of most active treadmill running rats, and Group 2 was of the least active rats. The researchers observed this for 10 generations and they found out that the lazy group was now even more lazier, whereas the active group was even more active. This experiment proves that laziness can also be derived from genes. For example, if your parents or ancestors were good at studies, then even you might be good at studies. But what if they are not good at studies? If that's the case, then you might be under two categories. One, you might set a goal of being good at studies, but you don't find any motivation to do it. If not that, you belong to category number 2, that is, you're not interested in studying. If you belong to category 2, you're not lazy. Instead, you're just not interested. But if you belong to category 1, then you're lazy because you keep on searching for motivation to study. But there is nothing to worry about because you can actually change it. To change it, you need to identify what's going on in your brain. These things that you feel to do and those that you hate are all controlled by your brain. If you enjoy doing something, then your brain encourages that behavior by releasing a chemical called as dopamine, which activates reward signals that motivates you to repeat a specific behavior. So, if you have a couch potato gene, you actually don't need to worry because genes can be changed by your behaviors. Firstly, you need to stop thinking that you will do it. Instead, you have to do it now because a year from now, you may have wished that you could have started today. Let's take that studying example again. If you want to study but you get no motivation, here is what you can do. For now, you just have to start it small. Like, take the book you want to study and just read 2 to 3 lines or one question and keep repeating it daily. The next day, question 2 or 4 to 5 lines and so on. At first, you might think that one question is so easy and less time consuming. But later on, that one question might turn into 10 questions per day too. The more you do it, the more you like it and the more you'll want to do it. The main mistake we do is when we think to do something, we plan it more than the capacity and then we end messing up, feeling demotivated and leaving it aside thinking we are just lazy. So, all you have to do is decide your goals that are attainable and don't try to multitask at a time. And mainly, if you are unable to perform the task, don't start to think negative. Instead, break it into smaller steps and once you're on track, make it a habit no matter how much you don't want to do it. This will eventually cause a slow increase in your brain's cell receptivity to dopamine release, and at the end, you won't be lazy anymore as you were. After all, it's only you who can change yourself. If you enjoyed this video, then do give a thumbs up and do check out our previous video on addiction if you want to get rid of some addictive behaviors that stop you from doing things that you want to do. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the mini encyclopedia to learn something new.